Well, you are not going to believe this because I don't. Let me show you my corn and my peas. What you're looking at right now is my corn at 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, this is what my corn looked like when I healed it, when I fertilized it, and it was about 16, 18 inches tall. Some of them maybe 20 inches tall. Well, here's what it looked like about 10 days ago. It was about 4 feet tall. This is what it looks like today. I'm not sure I can back up and show you. It is about 10 feet tall in some of these. In the earlier video, the sprinkler head that you saw, well, right now it's right there. If you can see it, that little black thing is the sprinkler head, and it's 2 feet above the sprinkler head in 10 days. Now, I have fertilized the heck out of this stuff, but I've also watered it with my new, what I call a modular drip irrigation system. I'm gonna try to do a video on that in the next day or two and get that up for you real quick. It is an amazing thing. It has done so much good for me. So this is the corn. It is 8 or 10 feet tall. Some of this is not. Some of this up here on the sides is 5 feet, 6 feet. But that in the middle is another 4 or 5 feet taller than that. And it is starting to silk. See if I can show you some little ears developing. Yeah, I don't see any. Yeah, there's one starting to right there. Got another one sort of got a little silk on it, and I'll try to walk around and get you a shot of that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. Let's walk around and show you some of the ears. Well, we're starting to get one there and there. This corn is supposed to make at least, I think they said minimum. Some of the reviews on it said minimum 2 ears per stalk. So it's kind of what I'm expecting. There's a little bit of silk right there. It's Stowell's sweet corn, which is an open pollinated. I will be saving seed from it. I was going to plant some other corn along with it and decided not to because I didn't want cross pollination. So, and everybody around here is already, I mean, corn's long gone because most everybody around here raises spring corn. So I don't have any, I don't think, pollinating competitors. But that, just back off a little bit, that is a beautiful stand of corn. I mean, that is pretty. All right, now let me show you my peas. 2 weeks ago, they looked like this, which is nice. You could tell they were really gonna make well. And this is what they look like now. Again, planted on around July 5th. And they are amazing. These are zipper creams, and they are just going crazy. Look at all the blooms on them. And they are fixing to make. Are you getting some peas out there? Some peas, but they are doing fixing to make just a ton of zippers. But you ain't seen nothing yet. Let me show you the purple hull peas. This is the purple hull peas. They haven't spread out as well. They look like they hadn't spread out as wide because I planted them, planted the rows further apart. But look how loaded down they are with peas. Now, I wish these were what's called top pick or quick pick. The quick pick and top pick, the peas stand up a little taller, the bush stands up a little taller, and the peas make on top. These, you know, got a lot of peas on the sides, but look at that. Now this is a fall garden. This is not a spring garden. Some people wonder if you can plant a fall garden. Yes, you can. It is end of August. It's going to be 97 today. These peas look like they're suffering. Look down that row. They have spread out so much that it's going to be hard for my wife to determine where peas end and walkway begins. But man, we're going to make some peas. Now, they're all filled out pretty doggone good. Not all of them, but I mean, the ones that are getting close have filled out real nicely, and it won't be long. We haven't picked any yet because none have turned purple yet, and the reason they're called purple hull peas is because the hull, the outer skin, the outer shell, hull, it turns purple when it's time to pick them. So waiting on that, but it's still got tons of blooms on them, and it won't be long. It won't be long. Gonna make a lot of peas, and I'll show you some of that when we get there. All right. Just thought you might want to see the peas and the corn. Cannot believe the way the corn has grown, and these peas also. Just an amazing fall garden. I really like gardening in the fall. I don't like picking in the heat, and that's, when you're in the South, that's one thing you got to deal with is the heat. But you can grow some things better in the fall, and peas I think are one of them, because peas love the heat. Got to give them water, but they do love the heat, and this is an example of what they will do if they're happy and hot and happy and watered in a fall garden. So I believe that's it. We're gone. Let's take a look at what we're fixing to have. Look at that right there. That's amazing. All right. I know some of you jealous. And you may have time. Depends on where exactly you are. You may have time. I planted these on around July 5th. And it's August 26th today. So within, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, we're going to have peas. It's 25th, around 8 weeks. So if you've got 8 weeks left in your growing season before the first frost comes, I don't know, you might want to give it a shot. They look too good to pass up, don't they? We'll get you some. All right, we're going.